So I just got this packing cube set up that I'm super excited about for some upcoming travel I had. This stuff is super unique. So let me walk through what I have here and then I'll show you how it works. So I have two of the small ones, two of the large ones, and these are two slightly different ones. So this is more of a pouch and then this is a roll top here. So the way these work is super unique. So right here I have a pair of pants and 3 pairs of shirts. So let's try this size and see how it goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the clothes into the bag, just like this. And then I'm going to take the red zipper, I'm going to zip it up. And then you'll notice that there is a gray zipper. And what that's going to do is that's actually going to compress this bag. So it's fully unzipped right now. So I'm going to take the gray zipper, I'm going to zip it all the way around the bag. And as you can see, it's starting to compress the clothes as I go around. And then see, just like that, it zipped it in and compressed it down. So it's nice and tight in this bag. So that's what's super cool about these is that unlike most packing cubes where you have to try to stuff everything in and then just maximize it and then try to zip it shut, you just have it fully unzipped with the gray zipper before you put your clothes in. Just like that, all the way around. Then you unzip the red zipper, add your clothes just like I showed you, and then you zip the gray zipper back down. It circles all the way around the bag and compresses it, making it super compact for travel, maximizing the space in your bag. So if you're looking for some really high quality packing gear, this is my go-to now. This is so cool. Plus, each bag has a nice hanger. So if you need to hang one in your bathroom or in the closet, you can do that as you're traveling. Plus having these other two types is really handy. This one is probably great for some toiletries or other things because it's just a single zipper. It's not compression, it opens quite large. And then this is great for if you want to throw dirty clothes or other things in, it's just a roll top. So basically have this, you roll it down, and then you do it like this around the side and just roll top it. So there's a lot of great options here. And honestly, these bags are what really makes me excited because having that built-in compression option into basically a packing cube is so handy. Plus, I love that they color code the zippers. So you never have to be like, oh, is this the right zipper or is this one? One is red, one's gray, super easy to understand, and it works really well. So again, if you're looking for something like this, I highly suggest you check these out.